Hello everyone, Mr. Abdullah here, the testing coordinator. So I want to show you how you can check your Chromebook version and make sure that it is up to date, because we need these steps for the state testing and for NWEA. So the first thing that you want to do is turning on your Chromebook and then going on the lower right corner, click either this wireless sign or the battery sign. It doesn't matter which one you click. And then this settings page is going to pop up. At the top, if you see a warning that says restart to update, click that. Then you will update your Chromebook, and you can, after updating it, you can check your version. I will show you how to do that in the next step. But what if you don't see this button over here? What if you don't have something that says restart to update? Then you'll need to click this gearbox on the same screen, and then that'll take you to the settings page of your Chromebook. So once you do that, on the lower left corner, it'll say About Chrome OS. Once you hit this button, it'll show you what your Chromebook's current version is. Let's scroll down. So this Chromebook has a version 73.0. That's not enough for the state testing or NWEA. So that needs to be at least 83. So if you see something less than 83 over here, that's a problem. So what are you going to do? So you need to make sure that it is up to date. So you will click check for updates, and then if there is any updates, it'll update your Chromebook, and then you will still need to restart it. Restarting is the key. Once you restart, everything is going to be fine. So once you restart, you got to repeat these process, repeat all these steps to see what your final version is. So this Chromebook at the beginning was 73.0, and after the update, it is 74.0. So right now, they need to be, after all these updates, at least 83.0. If you see any number for the first two digits that are less than 83, then you should let your teachers know. They will communicate it with me. I will replace your device. Again, restart your device if there's any updates available. If not, check if there's any updates available. And once you update your device, check the final version. If it is less than 83, let your teacher know, and I will replace your device with a newer model, so that is compatible with the state testing and NWEA testing. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great testing term this coming spring, and I will hopefully see you for the testing.